Our third video in our Introduction to Formulas video series is where we're actually going to start creating some formulas. So we're going to go ahead and go right into Excel in the file Marketing Budget. And as you can see here, this is a marketing budget with a couple different advertising sources broken up between residual marketing and promotional marketing. What we're going to do is to create a formula that calculates how much we're going to be spending per year for the total of residual marketing, as well as the total of promotional marketing, the grand total per month, and what the percentage is for each month for residual marketing, as well as promotional marketing. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to make cell B7 our active cell, and we're going to start the formula with an equal sign. We're going to start putting in cell addresses, starting with B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6. As I do that, you can see that the cells are color-coded as I enter them. Don't worry if you wanted to use a capital B or a lower b, Microsoft Excel will take that cell address. Remember, cell addresses always start with a letter and end with the number. So once we're done with B6, we're going to hit the Enter key and see that the value of cell B7 is 1,500. Cell B7 contains the formula B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6. We can double check our formula by double clicking the cell address B7, and it places us in edit mode, as you can see here at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. There we can see that the color coding is there. We can hit escape. We're going to now go down to cell B14 and calculate the total for our promotional marketing. And that formula is going to be equals B12 plus B13. And as you can see here, I used my mouse and I clicked on each specific cell address that I wanted to have involved in the formula. You can either type in the cell addresses or you can use your mouse to click on them as well. The two formulas that we've done so far in B7 and B14 are relative, where we've got the information right on top. Well, there might be times when a formula is not right next to the information that you want to include in it. For example, the grand total. So to complete the formula in the grand total, we're going to use the equal sign. We're going to take our mouse and we're going to click on B7, and we're going to hit the addition operator. And now we're going to come down here and click on B14 and hit enter. So now you can see that the grand total that we're going to spend in the month of January is $2,200. We have two more formulas that we'd like to complete in this exercise. We'd like to calculate how much each month we're spending per marketing type. An ideal split would be a 70-30 between residual marketing and promotional marketing to ensure that you're getting the biggest bang for your advertising buck, stretching those pennies just a little bit farther. So we're going to make cell B20 our active cell. We're going to hit the equal sign. We're going to come up to B7. We're going to divide B7 by B17 and hit enter, which gives us 68% of our marketing dollars are being spent on residual marketing. To calculate the promotional total, we're going to once again start our formula with the equal sign, come and select B14, divide it by B17, and that will give us our percentage for promotional total. So we're very close. Stay tuned. In the next video, we're going to cover the fill handle.